Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you'd be fine. This is Cambridge Lower Secondary, Book 7. And today we are going to do some questions related to 15.4, in which we will discuss how to find out the volume of cubes and cuboids. It's basically a compound shape. As you can see, we can split it into two parts. And let's see how we can find out the volume of this compound shape. So in this compound shape, first of all, we have to write down the value of x. And how are we supposed to find out the value of x? As you can see that there are three dimensions in a cube or a cuboid: the length, breadth, and height. So if we look at this shape, we have the length of 11 centimeters here. So at the bottom, the length would be also 11 here, and here it would also be 11, right? And since it's 11 over here, so here it would be 11 as well, right? Which is splitted into two parts, here half here and the other half here. So this is all 11 from top to bottom. And when we go from up to down, so it would be it's 3 plus 6, 9 here. So this would be 3 and this would be 6, right? This would also be 6, right? And this would be 6, okay? And when we talk about the breadth, so this part is the breadth. This is breadth, this is breadth, this is breadth. This is given as 4 centimeters. So all these corresponding breadths would be 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and x would be 4 centimeters. So the value of x would be 4 centimeters. After that, what do we have to do? We have to copy and complete the workings to find out the volume of the shape. It says top cuboid. Okay, let's start from top cuboid. So this is the top cuboid. We have to find out the volume of the top cuboid. For this cuboid, the length is given as 11 minus 5 here. This is the length. This is the breadth, which is 4 centimeters. And this is the height, which is 3 centimeters. So it would be 5 into 4 into 3. 5 fours are 20 and 20 into 3 is equals to 60 centimeters square, right? So for the top cuboid, the volume is 60 centimeters square. And for the bottom one, this is the bottom part. So let's figure out the dimensions of this bottom part here, right? This is the top part of the bottom cuboid. This is the length, this one is the breadth, and this is the height. So it's 11 into 4, that is 44, and 44 into 6 is equals to 264. So the total volume of the shape would be 60 plus 264, which is 324 centimeters square. And that's it. See how easy. So what we did, we simply splitted the shape into two parts. The bottom cuboid, which was of 11 centimeters by 4 centimeters by 6 centimeters. And the top part was another cuboid, a small cuboid of the length 5 centimeters by 4 centimeters. The breadth of the two were the same, na? So that's 4 as well. And the height was 3 centimeters, and that's it. Now let's do question number. If we talk about question number 7, so we'll do the same thing over here as well. We'll split it into two parts, right? This is the top cuboid and the bottom cuboid. If we talk about the top cuboid, so the top cuboid is equals to, the length is 8, the width is, this one is the width, see? And the width is given as 6 meters. So it's 8 into 6 into the height is missing. Since the height from top to bottom is 12 and it's split it into two parts, this one and this one. Some part is included in the top cuboid and other part is included in the bottom part. So if we talk about the bottom part, it's given here. That is, the height of the bottom part is 5 meters and the total height from the bottom to top is 12 meters. So the upper part would have a height of 12 minus 5, and that's this one. This one is 12 minus 5, which is 7. And since it's 7, so the volume would be 8 into 6 into 7. And since 8 6 are 48 and 48 into 7 is equals to 336. So this is the volume of the top cuboid. Now similarly, we'll find out the volume of the bottom cuboid. The bottom cuboid has the dimensions 15 by 6 by 5. That's it. Right? So these are the dimensions for the bottom part. So 15 6 are 90 and 90 into 5 is equals to 450. Now the total volume would be the sum of the two figures, that is 336 plus 450, and which is 786. This is the total volume of this cuboid. And we have to put the sign of meter cube over here. For this T, again, we will do the same thing. We'll split it into two cuboids. So one of the part is the top part. In the top part, we have the length of 20 millimeters into the breadth is the same as 3 millimeters and the height is 7 millimeters. Right? For the bottom part, the length is 6 millimeters. The breadth is the same. You can see that the breadth is the same for both parts, right? So it's again 3 and the height is 9. So for the upper part, we will have 3 sevens are 21. 21 into 2 is equals to 42 and it would be 420. For the bottom part, we have 6 threes are 18 and 18 multiplied by 9 is equals to 162. So we will add the 2, that is 420, with 162 and we will get the total volume, which is around 582 millimeter cube. And done. See how easy it is. Okay, we'll do more questions inshallah in the next video. Until then, take care. Do subscribe to my channel if you are new and don't forget to share it with your friends. Allah Hafiz.